Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to do a Halloween special part 1. Welcome to my first part of my Halloween special, and we're going to unbox a random spooky blind boxes from Pop Mart, Kika Goods, and Cosby Collection. So I'm so excited to share with you these spooky figures. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Let's start with our first box, which is Disney Halloween Collection from Cosby. And for a quick background, I'm not familiar with Cosby Collection, but I found this one very interesting because they have this Halloween collection. And I found this Disney collection very nice and spooky but adorable at the same time. And if you watch my previous vlog, I open or unbox some pieces of Cosby collection. So let me start with this one. And they have like, I'm not sure, 8 confirmed figures, including the one in the cover, which is Donald Duck. And they have one mystery or secret, which has a probability of 1 over 48. Very high chance of getting one. And from this lineup, I wanna get Stitch, of course. Stitch is very cute here. And I wanna get Dale, Chip and Dale, either of these two, or either of these two also of Mickey and Minnie, but I prefer Mickey, Dale, and Stitch. So let's see, guys. This only like one piece, and this is much costly than the Pop Mart figure. So let's see if this is worth the price. Let me unbox this one at the bottom part, and let's see if the figure is spooky enough or adorable. Let me open this one now. Okay, this is quite a small figure. They don't have any branding on the foil. It's just a plain silver foil. So let's see, guys. Our first figure, one, two, three. Oh, who's the? Oh, we got Dale. We got Dale as a ghost or a witch. I'm not sure because Dale is riding in a broom and he looks like a ghost here, holding a pumpkin. This one's very nice. My prio. And let me show you the art card. Okay, this is Dale. Very nice art card. Very Halloween vibe. It really matches our theme for today's vlog. Let me remove the stand. Oops. Now I'm starting to regret of not getting a much getting additional boxes from this collection because I found this one very cute, adorable. I'm not sure if Dale is spooky enough like to be included in a Halloween, though Halloween is not about being spooky but being creative of the costume, and Dale is wearing a ghost costume here, riding in a broom, and I like the finish material of this one. It's a mix of matte PVC and glossy, and the base is like a crater of moon. And Dale's so cute here. I'm not just a fan of this. It seems like the linings are not well finished, but I like the gradient color of the ghost outfit of Dale here. He's so cute though. So what can you say about our first figure of Dale? Let's proceed with these 3 boxes from Pop Mart, which is Crybaby Monster Tears series. So this is the lineup from this series. They have 12 confirmed figures and 2 secrets. So from this lineup, I wanna get Burn Baby Burn. I wanna get the Witch Wish. I wanna get the Spooky Kitty, the Happy, and the Lady Mummy. I like also the Lonely Bone. So let's see. Let's see. I'm not sure if This one is heavy. These two quite heavy. Let me start with the lighter one. I like the packaging of Crybaby here. It's so pink, very still cute, and the lineup is so spooky. And if you can see, Tiny Tiny is keeps moving. I don't know why. Look, he keeps moving like that every time. It's kind of spooky now. So let's see, guys. Our second figure for today, and I hope it's not a. I'm not sure. Tiny Tiny can't keep his feet on the ground. She keeps moving. Okay. I hope I won't get a duplicate because these are like random blind boxes. Or I hope I'll get a secret. I don't know who's the secret here. Let's see. Let me set aside and clean this up. One, two, three. Oh, the mommy, I guess. Yeah, the lady mommy. Look. Okay, let me pull out all the inclusions. Wait, there's no inclusion. There's no stand. Maybe oh, okay. The stand is here. Okay, let me put the stand and the mini goes. I believe as an inclusion. How should I put this one? Like she's going to stand. Oh, does it fit? Yeah, it fits. Okay, and the goes will be just here. The mini goes. Okay, so this is the Lady Mommy. So Crybaby here is wrapped around with like a tissue or uh, a cloth like a mummy, and she has a pink translucent tears. And what the good thing about this one is the eyelashes. Still the eyelashes of Crybaby. And I'm not sure if this is ear pierce and it's pearlescent finish. It's so simple yet it's very mommy type, very spooky for Crybaby. And I just hope this one is magnetized so that it will be attached on the body of Crybaby. But seeing here in actual figure make me think that if I like this one or not. So what is your thought about this one? Please comment down below. Let's unbox the third box from this vlog and the second figure for the Crybaby Monster Tier series. And this one is quite heavy. So let's see if this is a secret or not. Okay, the third figure is quite chunky. One, two, three. Oh! Who's this? Uh-oh. She looks like a sheep here. Oh, the Frosty Candy. Why I'm getting all white figures now? So this is Frosty Candy. So I'm not sure who is she mimicking here. She looks like a sheep here. And this is the mini ghost. I'm not, oh, I dropped the ghost, the mini ghost one. And it's translucent material and it's not magnetized. It will be good if this one is magnetized so that it will be attached on the head of the Frosty Candy. And yeah, I'm not sure who this character is, but she looks like a blue sheep here. I like the finish material of the wool. It's so soft. It's so like firm, flat finish, and she's blue. So this is it. We got another white figure. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our third box for the Crybaby. Okay, we are getting so much white figures now. So we got the Frosty Candy and the Lady Mommy. I hope I won't get the Lonely Bones because I want to get a colorful one like the Burn Baby Burn or the Spooky Kitty and the Witch Wish. Either of these three, please. Because I'm done getting a white figure. So let's see. Let me open this one. Oops. Okay. Another chunky figure. One, two, three. Oh, we got the pink one. Now it's not white, but it's pink. And we got Sweet Werewolf. Who's here? Okay, we got the Sweet Werewolf. And Crybaby here is so pink. So she's a werewolf here. Very cute werewolf. Like sticking out his tongue like a werewolf. And she has a like a ponytails. Is this ponytails? Yeah, ponytails on the side. And she has a mini pink ghost as well. Okay, so they have all mini ghosts. So this is it. We got the pink one. Okay, I'm not sure if I like it or not, but if you are a fan of Crybaby, though I like the claws and the nails of Crybaby here, there's some nail polish of black, like a werewolf. Though she's cute here, very chubby werewolf. You can comment down below if you like this one. Let's proceed with our next boxes, which is Casa from Kika Goods. I'm Not a Body series. So if you can see in my background, I have three Casa figures already, which is the clown. I forgot the name again. So I have the clown, I have the bride, and I have the one which is related to if you watch Coco the movie. And yeah, I got these three. I just hope I won't get a duplicate because I kept getting one by one boxes from this casa. So it's because of my Halloween series now. I decided to get another two for you guys, and I just hope I won't get any duplicates from this lineup because they have nine confirmed figures here and one secret, and I really wanna get the one which is like mimicking the Harlequin and the Ghost, this one, and the Dr. Beak or the Bear or the Secret. So let's see. I'm going to open this one at the bottom part and check first the card because if this will be a duplicate from what I have, I'm not going to open the foil because I'm going to dish dash them. So let's see. Let's cross our fingers to get a different figure and not a duplicate. Okay. This is the card. Okay, this is the figure. Let me check first the art card. And I hope it's not a duplicate. Where's the card? Okay. Oh. So, oh! No! Oh, no! We got a duplicate! We got the bride again. What the heck? Guys, we got the bride. Let me show you. Unfortunately, we got the bride. And yeah, so this is the bride, white bone bride. This one is detachable, and the mask is detachable as well. Look how beautiful the bride here. The pearlescent finish of the gown. It's a translucent, but it has a translucent finish and pearlescent finish. The face is matte vinyl or matte PVC. This is the back part. There's some detail of the rose headpiece. And again, this is the translucent veil that is detachable. And yeah, there's some butterflies, blue butterflies on the side. So we got a duplicate. First duplicate for this vlog. And we got the white broom bride. Yeah, what can you say about this one? Please comment down below. And by the way, she's holding a bouquet of flowers, and it's not a flower, it's a heart. If you can see that one, it's a heart. And yeah, that's it. Comment down below, guys. So guys, let's proceed with our next Casa I Am Not a Body series. So this is the fun part of getting single boxes in a random days, or in a random shop, you might get a duplicates. And yeah, I'm not happy with that, but still, Kasabadi is a cute series. I should decided to get all these series because they are all cute and good quality figures. So let's see, guys. I hope I get a different figure and my prio here. Oh no, I'm sad. Having a duplicate again. I kept getting duplicates and it's not fun anymore. So let's see. Oh! Yes! Finally! We got the rebellious evil girl! Oh! Finally, and I'm happy. And I'm happy. Let's see. Yes! This is so beautiful. It really reminds me of Harley Quinn. Yes, look how beautiful here. Casabody as a rebellious evil girl. I like the outfits, very Harley Quinn. Look, the finishing, the glossy finish of the hair. It's a radiant pink blue. The headband with, translucent clear PVC finish. It's a pink and blue. I like the eyes. I like the outfit. Yes, I like this one. And I'm happy about it. And look the inclusions. Yay! This is what I want. Getting different figure and a figure that I really like. Uh-oh. And let me see the mask. Look how beautiful the mask. Yay! It's magnetized and she's holding a. Okay, how can I put this one? Should I put this one like here? No. Okay, so let's see how I'm going to keep this one like this. I'm not sure. Is this how it is? Oh, oh. Why it's so hard to put this one? Am I doing it right? Mm-hmm. Why it's not? Wait, I don't know how to put this. Uh-oh. But hey, look how beautiful the rebellious evil girl. But I don't know how to put this hammer. She's holding this one backwards. And it's not moving. Uh-oh. Like this? Like that? Like this or like that? Hey, I don't know how. But still, we got what I want. And this one is a beautiful piece, additional to my collection. I'm going to figure out how to put the hammer at the back. So this is Rebellious Evil Girl. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. So guys, after I check the light up, so you're just going to put the hammer of Harley Quinn here, just like this. So yeah, you have no choice but to put this one at the back of Harley Quinn, and let me show it to you how she's going to stand like that. So let's proceed now with our next boxes. Let's proceed with our next boxes. So this is the newest release from Pop Mart. So we got Chucky. I didn't get the full set because they look so scary. I remember during my childhood that I can't watch Chucky alone. Okay, just for you guys and for this Halloween theme, I'm going to open or unbox some pieces of Chucky. And let me show you. So this is the packaging. Oops. So this is the packaging of Chucky. And Chucky here is the one with a good guy doll. He's the front one, and he looks like a very kind doll here and adorable. But the lineup are so scary and creepy. If you are a fan of Chucky and if you watch the series of movies of Chucky, you will definitely love this lineup. And from this lineup, of course, I wanna get the Bride Tiffany because I have two. I just hope I get one Bride Tiffany and one Chucky, or the Sid, their child, which is Sid of Chucky Glenn. And I want to get Chucky and Andy. These three are my prio. Or okay, let's see if we are about to get the good guy doll. Let me open now this one. This one is so fast to it's so fast and it's so easy to sold out. Maybe there's a lot of fan base of Chucky here. That's why it's out of stock now anywhere. So let me unveil or unbox the first Chucky. I hope this one is not too creepy because I'm not going to display this one because he might awake me during you know during my sleep. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, who's this? Okay. Okay. We got the Showtime Chucky. Yeah. So this is Showtime Chucky. I like the artwork. Very nice one. I like the art card. Yeah, it's very different from the other art card of Pop Mart. Looks premium. Very nice one. So this is Chucky. Let me show you. He's so creepy. Look, the eye, it's so big. The eyebrows, the creepy smile, the freckles of the face of Chucky here. I actually like the detail of this one. Very detailed. Even the dress or the clothes of Chucky here. I like the color combination. It's very Chucky. He's holding a tobacco. And look at the intricate details of the hairs of Chucky. Nice one. It's actually a good figure, a good quality one. Let me show you all the inclusions. I said a lot of good things to Chucky, huh? So Chucky, don't scare me at night. Maybe we should put the sunglasses of Chucky so that he looks cool and not scary. So this is the eyeglasses. I'm not sure if this is magnetized, but yeah. Should I put like this only? Oops, it's not magnetized. So how you will put the sunglasses of Chucky? Okay, it's just like this. No, it's not magnet. Okay, it's magnetized. It's just not too strong magnet. That's why it keeps dropping. But look, so Chucky's a cool guy here. So he's not scary at all. So let me show you maybe this one's like a chair of a director, or maybe he's just sitting on the beach, like having a good time. Look, actually I like this one. I really like this one with the eyeglasses. Look, the sunny one. This is the sunny of Chucky. Very nice figure. Actually, I like it. What do you think about this one? Please comment down below. Let's go with our second box of Chucky. He wants you for a best friend. Is it really Chucky? So let's see. So the secret has a probability of 1 over 108. So they have 9 line up. Confirm figure. So let's see who will be our next one. I hope it's Bride Tiffany. I like to get Bride Tiffany so that Chucky will have a partner uh, with this vlog. And it will be definitely a fun part to have one Chucky and one Tiffany at the same time. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, another Chucky! And the flame one. Yeah, we've got the flame Chucky. And this is the art card. Look, Chucky was burned with flame. And this is the art card. And look, the details of this one. I like this one. They really did a good job with the figure of Chucky. They gave a lot of intricate details. The half body of Chucky is burnt. Like, look, the dress of Chucky here, it's already burned and it's black already. With some flames, it's translucent material of PVC. The face of Chucky here is burnt as well. He looks like in pain. The eyeball is popping out already. And look how detailed this one. Very nice. And even the colors are popping up. I like the colorful figures of Chucky here. Let me put the inclusion. Okay, I'm not sure what is this one. It looks like a small knife actually. And he's holding this one here like this. Yeah, I actually like this one. It's creepy, but it's a good quality figure. Yeah, look. I should get more of these actually. It will be a good collection to have this lineup of Chucky because this one is definitely, a word piece of collection. So what can you say about this one? Even the base of Chucky here is like a flame of fire. It's burnt orange. It's very nice figure. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with the newest release of Mopmart, which is the Why So Serious plush pendant. These figures or this plush pendant are so hard to find and hard to get. It's all sold out anywhere, and if they're going to release, it's already pre-order. So I managed to get two only, and look at this packaging. It's so nice. This is actually a good lineup for Halloween theme. You can see this one. There are all clowns, Flame Clown, Lumino Feast. These are the Demu. We have the Rainbow Jelly Bean, which is the sweet bean, String Puppet, and the Crimson Dancer, which is the Molly. Of course, the famous one, the Juggling Clown, Labubu, Shadow Joker, and Silver Mist Clown of Hachipupu. And the secret, mhm, the other secret is, I believe it's Twinkle Twinkle as well, and another Labubu. So this is it. I like the packaging. I like the illustration. It's like a circus vibe. So we managed to get two. And from this lineup, of course, I want to get the Labubu. I want to get the Flame Clown of Dimu. Also the Lumino Feast of Dimu. Though Twinkle Twinkle here is cute. Yeah, so let's see if we are able to get our prio. It's just that I noticed the box is so thin. Oh, sorry. The box is so thin. Look like it easily get dented if it's not properly protected with the bubble wrap or hard box because yeah, it's a thin material unlike the other boxes of Pop Mart. Okay, I like the packaging. It's a string bag again, and there's a branding of Why So Serious. Very circus vibe. I like this one. Very useful. Like, you cannot just throw it away. If your pendant is not in use, you can keep this one in this string bag in a nice condition. And let's see. It looks premium actually. Why so serious? Our first pendant is one, two, three. Yeah! We got the Prio. Actually, least my Prio, but it's still cute. Very nice one. Though Twinkle Twinkle here is not creepy because he looks so cute. It's so colorful. I guess Twinkle Twinkle here is like much better. Like he can be lined up for a Christmas series. Though, yeah, the outfit is not creepy at all, but it's very clowny. I like the maybe this is the shoes or socks of Twinkle Twinkle. There's a teddy bear socks and a striped one like a clown. I actually like the clothes of Twinkle Twinkle here. It's a what do you call this material? I forgot the material of this one, but it's a corduroy, I guess. Am I right? And it's said here, just smile, And there's two smiley here. Actually, not. The one is happy smiley and the one is sad smiley. And yeah, there's some threads. And yeah, Twinkle Twinkle here has two different eyes, one yellow and one blue. I like the blue bow tie. He looks like a very nice clown, not a creepy clown. And he has this like a bonnet or party hat. It's a nice one. Actually good figure. Not creepy at all, but Twinkle Twinkle here is so cute. Okay, in every tag there's a name of Twinkle Twinkle, and this is Pop Mart for the ring. It's nice actually. Let me show you the art card. Okay, so this is the art card. It's like a circus tent. Let me open this one. One, two, three. Yeah. So this is Rainbow Jelly Bean Twinkle Twinkle. What can you say about this little cutie? Please comment down below. So this is our last box of Why So Serious and our last box for today's vlog. So we got Twinkle Twinkle already. So I just hope we got Labubu or any of the demo please. So let's see guys. Let me unbox this one now. I just don't like the box. It's so soft, oops, and easy to dent. It seems like you can just throw it away afterwards because of the thin material that they use here. And yeah, it can easily be destroyed. Okay, our second flash pendant for today. Okay, one, two, three. Oh, we got Molly, the black clown. Okay, is this removable? Oh, okay, no. Okay, we got Molly, and he's a black clown, I guess. He's wearing a black stripe outfit of a clown with a yellow gold skirt. And yeah, there's some uh, strap here like a tag of Molly. I like the gold color of bow at the back. And I'm not sure if this is balls of pom-poms of the hair. Like this is gold one and this is like cream. It's cute actually if you are a fan of Molly. He's okay. She looks like she has a fang, small fang like a vampire, and this is the nose of the nose of the clown, the red one. Though the eyes is painted, it's cute actually. It's very subtle. I like the subtlety of black and gold. Very, looks premium still. So there's a molly here, and the ring is black. It's nice actually. Let me show you the art card of Molly. So this is the string puppet. Yeah, it's cute. What can you say about this one? If you like this, please comment down below. So this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today for our first part of Halloween theme. And I like some pieces of what we unboxed for today. And unfortunately, we had a duplicate, which is one only. So it's fine with me. But if I'm going to choose my favorites from this lineup, I'm choosing, of course, the first one. Surprisingly, I like Chucky here. This one. He's so cool here. Very nice figure. It's actually have a quality figure. Actually, I like both Chucky. Can I say that? Maybe because this is totally different from what I had before. And based on the quality of the materials, they use quality materials from Chucky series. And the second one that I want or favorites here is the Harley Quinn of Casa. Yeah, let me set aside the bride first because I already had the bride before. So Casa is one of my favorites from this lineup. And Dale. Dale from Cosby. He's so cute. I like Dale of Cosby. So these are my four favorites. And my final favorites from this lineup is Twinkle Twinkle. Yeah, I'm just going to put Twinkle Twinkle on this on the middle and put this one here because he can't stand. Okay. So these are my top 5 favorites from what we unboxed for today's vlog. If you have other favorites, guys, you can comment down below. Maybe you like Crybaby or you like Molly. But for me, these are my top 5. And if you have other favorites, you can comment down below. And if you're still not my subscriber, guys, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. And if you had fun watching my video, please share also and like this video so that your family and friends will have an idea what are the art toys are. So I hope you had fun watching, guys. And once again, thanks for watching. Bye!